Embark on a journey into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, where machines are becoming increasingly intelligent and integrated into our daily lives. From enhancing productivity to revolutionizing industries, AI holds the power to shape our future in profound ways. Join us as we explore the benefits, risks, and expectations surrounding the role of AI in our lives. We will be delving into the fascinating realm of technology. In this video, we delve into the captivating topic of AI and its impact on our lives. AI is no longer confined to science fiction. It has become a reality, transforming various aspects of our society. Join us as we dive into the benefits AI brings, the risks it poses, and what we can expect as AI continues to evolve and shape our world. Enhanced productivity. AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks and analyze vast amounts of data is revolutionizing productivity. By delegating mundane and time-consuming tasks to AI systems, individuals can focus their efforts on more complex and creative endeavors. AI-powered tools, such as virtual assistants and data analytics platforms, assist professionals in making faster and more informed decisions, ultimately boosting productivity and efficiency in various industries. Personalized experiences. AI algorithms are transforming our digital experiences by providing personalized content and recommendations. Whether it's streaming platforms suggesting movies based on our viewing history or e-commerce websites offering tailored product recommendations, AI analyzes our behaviors, preferences, and demographics to curate content specifically suited to our individual tastes. While personalization improves user experiences, it raises concerns about privacy and the ethical use of personal data. Healthcare advancements. AI is making significant strides in the healthcare industry, aiding in diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient care. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect anomalies and assist in early disease detection. AI-powered systems can also analyze patient data to personalize treatment plans and predict disease progression. These advancements have the potential to improve healthcare outcomes, enhance patient safety, and increase accessibility to quality care. Smarter cities. AI is instrumental in building smart cities, where technology is leveraged to optimize resource utilization, improve infrastructure, and enhance public services. AI-powered systems can analyze data from sensors placed throughout the city to manage traffic flow, reduce energy consumption, and improve public safety. The integration of AI in urban planning can lead to more sustainable and efficient cities, improving the quality of life for residents. Automation and job disruption. The automation capabilities of AI raise concerns about job displacement and the future of work. While AI can streamline processes, increase efficiency, and create new job opportunities, it may also render certain job roles obsolete. As AI continues to evolve, individuals must adapt by acquiring new skills and embracing lifelong learning. Upskilling and reskilling programs become essential to ensure individuals can thrive in a changing job market. Ethical considerations. The use of AI raises ethical questions surrounding biases, privacy, and accountability. AI algorithms are trained on data that may contain inherent biases, leading to biased outcomes and unfair treatment. Ensuring fairness and mitigating biases is a critical challenge in AI development. Additionally, the extensive data collection required by AI raises concerns about privacy and data security. Striking a balance between AI's potential benefits and addressing ethical considerations is crucial to harnessing AI for positive impact. Cybersecurity challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it can be exploited for malicious purposes. Adversarial attacks, deepfakes, and AI-driven cyber threats pose significant challenges to cybersecurity. AI algorithms can be manipulated to deceive systems or generate highly convincing fake content. Consequently, securing AI systems, training robust defense mechanisms, and fostering collaboration between AI and cybersecurity experts are imperative to safeguard against AI-driven threats. Human-machine collaboration. The future lies in harnessing the capabilities of AI to augment human skills rather than replacing humans entirely. AI's proficiency in handling repetitive and data-intensive tasks allows humans to focus on complex problem-solving, creativity, and empathy. Collaborative efforts between humans and AI can lead to improved decision-making, more personalized experiences, and enhanced productivity. Cultivating the necessary skills, such as critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, will be vital for individuals to thrive in this human-machine collaboration. Trust and transparency. Building trust in AI systems is crucial for their widespread adoption and acceptance. Users must trust that AI algorithms are making fair and accurate decisions without hidden biases. Transparency in AI algorithms, ensuring that they are explainable and understandable, is vital for users to comprehend the reasoning behind AI-generated outcomes. Striving for trust and transparency in AI development builds confidence and fosters responsible and ethical use of AI technologies. Ethical AI governance. The responsible development and deployment of AI require robust governance frameworks. Governments, organizations, and technologists must collaborate to establish regulations, ethical guidelines, and best practices to ensure that AI benefits society while minimizing risks. Addressing concerns around data privacy, algorithmic biases, accountability, and transparency is crucial to shaping the ethical use of AI. Striking a balance between innovation and accountability will be essential to harnessing the full potential of AI for the betterment of society. AI's impact spans across various domains, from productivity enhancement to healthcare advancements and smarter cities. However, concerns around job displacement, ethical considerations, cybersecurity, and the need for human-machine collaboration require careful consideration. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments section below and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions on AI and its implications. Thank you for joining us, and as we navigate the evolving world of AI, let us embrace its potential while upholding ethical principles and responsible innovation.